Hey everybody. I'm Mr. English, your teacher and English language instructor for international students. I want to start by thanking all of you who have asked me questions about how to improve your conversation skills in English. Many of you have reached out, wanting to know how to enhance your listening abilities, understand real, natural English, and participate more effectively in conversations. I've listened to your questions, and I completely understand your challenges. Learning a language, especially English, requires more than just memorizing words or grammar rules. It's about understanding how the language is actually spoken in everyday conversations. This means learning the natural flow, the rhythm, and, most importantly, the expressions that native speakers use every day. One of the biggest challenges in learning English is bridging the gap between textbook knowledge and real-life communication. Many learners struggle with understanding spoken English because native speakers talk fast, use contractions, and often include idiomatic expressions and phrasal verbs that aren't always taught in traditional classrooms. This can make it frustrating when you think you understand English but find it difficult to keep up with conversations in real time. The key to overcoming this challenge is exposure and practice, and that's where my new course comes in. To help you with this, I have created a full course designed specifically to address these concerns. This course consists of several video lessons that focus on one of the most essential aspects of speaking natural English, phrasal verbs. If you've ever struggled with phrases like pick up, run into, or turn down, this course is for you. Phrasal verbs are a crucial part of English communication, yet they are often the most confusing for learners. Understanding these verbs will allow you to not only comprehend spoken English better but also to start speaking naturally and confidently. It's important to remember that learning phrasal verbs isn't just about memorization, it's about seeing them in context and practicing their usage so that they become a natural part of your vocabulary. My course, which you can find on my website, gonaturaleNglish.com, includes 40 of the most commonly used phrasal verbs, over 80 different meanings and uses, several detailed video lessons explaining how and when to use each phrasal verb, handouts and practice materials to reinforce your learning, and an opportunity to ask me questions directly whenever you need help. I want to encourage you to ask questions at any time because asking questions is one of the best ways to accelerate your learning. If you don't ask, you might stay stuck on a concept that could otherwise be explained in a few minutes, and we don't want that. Learning English is a journey, and I am here to support you every step of the way. There is a clear path to improving your conversational skills, and I am confident that this course will help you take a big step forward. Many students have already taken this course and have seen great results, and I believe that you can too. The beauty of this learning method is that it's practical, easy to follow, and based on real conversations that will help you interact naturally in English. Whether you're preparing for a job interview, traveling to an English-speaking country, or simply wanting to feel more confident when talking to native speakers, mastering phrasal verbs and listening skills is a game changer. So, if you're serious about improving your English, I invite you to join me. Whether you enroll in the full course or simply want more information, I am here to help. I also encourage you to explore additional resources like podcasts, audiobooks, and English language movies to help reinforce what you learn. To learn more, visit my YouTube channel, where I share free lessons and tips. I truly hope to see you there. I am excited to hear from you and help you achieve your English learning goals. The journey to fluency starts with taking action, and I can't wait to be part of your success story. Alright, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.